welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So this is day 7. Yeah, day 7. So it's my last work day, guys, of the year. So I'm looking forward to being able to do more and show you guys more things and review categories. So there are going to be some more categories of stuff coming up. Yesterday I decided to do the book to movie adaptation just to relax and have a chill day of watching a movie for the first time in months, because like I said, I don't watch a lot of TV, so that was actually good. So now that I am back into reading, let me talk about what I'm reading first, and then more books came, guys, more books came. So I decided to do the romance because I wanted something lighthearted, and this is We Met, and this is a novel about basically a young woman who is going through grief. She lost her best friend, and she is also unlucky in love, and there is this mystical thing of an app that just happens to be on her phone and is telling her things to do, guys to pursue, but it's a little weird. So I'm gonna wait till I get to the end to actually dig in more into this. But so far it's okay. I'm not really jumping on my skin for it, but we'll see as it goes on. I'm only like halfway in it, so yeah. So then 4 more books came, guys. I mean, I was starting to get lower on the on the table, and then now I got 4 more books. 2 of them I'm definitely like want to read like now. So we have My Monticello, and this one was blurbed by Colson Whitehead and Roxane Gay. That's the notable ones in the back that I know, and their blurb was pretty good. So this gave me, yeah, I'm gonna read it, like, and it's not that long. So another one that is not long. So I think I might pick this up real soon. Yeah, I think I might pick this up real soon. The next one is A Teller of Secrets, and this one also sparked my interest as well. And so don't know much about it, but it just, I think what I was getting from it, family drama, bit of secrets, stuff like that. So I was like, oh, you know, something I would definitely want to read. And the cover is really pretty, guys. It's a pretty cover. Then the others are nonfiction. And the nonfiction is heavy on this table. Ripple of Time, and this is a memoir of a former Black Panther. This one looks like it's gonna be heavy, real heavy. So not reaching for it yet. And then Redeeming Justice. So it says from defender to defendant to defender, my fight for equality on both sides of a broken system. Yeah, this is another one that looks like it's heavy. So these are the 4 I have to add to the pile already on the table. Yeah. I'm gonna put this one over here for now. So what I've done today is I started the project, the sewing project, and then let me show you what the papers look like, and how I'm gonna improve for the next one. So I'll show you. So alright, guys, so I am doing a top. It is a wrap top, so it's a little cleavage showing. I had to be careful with the cleavage. So but I did the body already, so the body's done already, but the neckline and the arms are not done, so that's going to be another day to deal with. I started sewing the neckline situation, not fun, and then of course these parts and the sleeves are not done. So not bad. Alright, so let's see the paper. So I'm going to bring you guys in so you can see what the paper looking like. So, as you can see, this one is the one that kind of got ripped up the top. So I'm going to use this one on a journal spread for today. I can't wait. And what I've learned is thinner is better. And some of them came out really perfect. Like for instance, this is the A5. Look at how thin it came out. And the papers are gorgeous. Quite a few of them came out really nice. But then when it got too thick, this is where I'm not a big fan. So I'm going to have to try and make them thin because they come out way better thin. The A6, have a whole bunch of the A6. I'm going to, like I said, I'm using that for today's journal spread. A lot of them came out thicker, but because they're smaller, they look better. I had to put books down on them to press them down because they did, some of them still kind of not flat, but I'm going to put some more books down on them and have them. But this one, look how thin and nice, and then the flowers. And I like the flowers stain some of it, so it gives it a little bit of a character, you know. And there's a lot of flowers on that one. And then there's two plain that I didn't have any flowers on. And these are the ones when I was trying to pick up the shirt and it fell off. So you can see it's not good. This one is just not good. And then this one too, I don't know what's going on here. So, but these were like my testers, so I'm not feeling anyway. So they'll get used because I'll probably paint on them. But these are nice, and this one is really going to be my tester today. So put it back on the tripod. So the goal is I still have more paper. I'm going to make them pink. So I think I'm going to try some pink colors. And finish off the set. And I won't eat any craft paper for a while. But I don't mind. This was actually fun. I think the more I practice, the more I will get it. Because like I said, the thin ones, like, oh, I love this one. It's just perfect. And I like it better than when the paper was, when I had too much on it and it came out real thick. But practice, I guess, so people who do this all the time. But this was a fun project. I have some more projects I want to try out. But this is just where I'm at for this right now. But I'm going to do the pink ones and I'll show you how those come out. Because I'm going to use some colors that I have, paint and put it in the water. And that should make it come out. Pink, or I really want to do pink, but I don't know how that's going to look. But I would like to try the pink or orangish color. We'll see what it looks like in the water. So I'm going to do my journal spread, and this is it. Today's going to be a short one because like I said, it's my last work day. So I'm trying to like cuckoo, but tomorrow definitely going to be some review. I want to go through, I'm also reading a short story holiday collection from an author that I've read so many of her books this year. So I think I'm going to talk about her books as well. Short story collection, because someone asked me about those. I'll definitely dig through. I have to go through my entire list. I mean, I've read 80-something books this year, so I have to go through them to see how many short stories I read this year. And then also some of my favorites that's on the shelf, and talk about them due this week. So there'll be more, guys, but today is a chill one. But let me see what I can create with this. So yeah, let's do our journal spread of the day and see what I can do with this. So if you are on my Instagram, you'll see this before the video come out. Let's see what I can grade. Alright guys, so I am done. So, paper. Not good with fountain pen at all. Just regular pen, regular ballpoint pen. And it writes on there perfectly, but gel and fountain pen will not be a good idea for the paper. So, which is what I expected because it's regular paper that I used. Yeah, but other than that, you see the spread. Enjoy it, liked it. My little dotted stamp, I might have went a little overboard, but that's how I work. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. I just sit down and do a journal spread, and it's relaxing. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. So yeah, have a good day, guys. Bye.